In today's video we will go over how to create reports from custom queries in Microsoft Access 2021. This video is part 5 in a series of videos where we build the Dunder Mifflin database using Microsoft Access. If you would like to see the full build, please check out previous videos. Currently on the screen you will see our query that we built in previous videos that calculates our profit. For today's report we will look at the top profit transactions in our report build. We can set this up by going to the Query Edit view and update Sort setting to Descending for the profit column. If we rerun the query, you will now see the top profit generating sales being listed first. The next step is to save your query updates before creating the report. Notice how in our example we go directly to the Create Report option. We then receive a prompt to save our query changes. Once the changes are saved, the report default template is generated using our query data. We can see the default columns are placed on the report, which we will now customize. To make changes, go to the View menu and select the Design view. From here you can make your updates to each field on the report. We will begin by editing the formatting and naming of the header, which will only generate once on our report. Notice the other sections on the report. The Detail section will contain the headers of the data we will see listed when the report runs. These headings will only show up once on the report. The next section will reflect the data that our query pulls and will reflect the number of lines in our query when the report runs. By dragging and dropping we can resize and reposition the other data columns and headers on the report to customize where the columns from our query show on the final report. We will skip forward slightly to the report already having columns adjusted. From here we will make adjustments to the page number text box to allow it to fit on our newly formatted report. The width of the report is outside of our column width. This can be adjusted by dragging the width to the desired size. By adjusting this we will see a cleaner final result when running the report in a separate window format. We will now adjust the format of the report from portrait to landscape, which can be toggled on the top menu of the screen. Now run the report to see the output of our changes. You can see the desired sales transactions reflecting the top profit items first. The columns of the report are formatted in the order we had desired based on our changes, and the width of the report is giving us a much cleaner final output. From the Layout view, we can make further adjustments such as changes to headers and fonts. You can see how we do this in our example by changing the third column of our report. Once all formatting has been completed, save your report. It's best practice to save with the RPT preceding the report name and to use underscores instead of spaces when creating your report name. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to help this channel grow.